When it comes to bedroom essentials, a wardrobe is a must-have. Can you even imagine a bedroom without one? It seems almost impossible. But here's the catch. Wardrobes take up a lot of space. So how do we solve this space dilemma? Simple. Let's dive into these 10 fabulous wardrobe ideas that fit right behind your bed. By using these clever designs, you not only create a chic and stylish closet, but you'll also save precious space and boost your storage options. And hey, if you enjoy the video and want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button to let the YouTube algorithm know you're a fan. Now, let's kick off the countdown. Number 10. Install drapery. Let's kick things off with a simple yet brilliant idea: floor-to-ceiling drapery. Imagine creating your own wardrobe nook by swapping out the closet wall for some stylish curtains. Pick drapes that harmonize with your room's colors, and voila! You've got a chic way to hide any mess in a jiffy. Feeling a bit creative? Use the drapery as a decorative touch. After all, the first thing you see when you settle in for the night is right behind the bed. So why not customize your design to add a unique flair? Number 9. Give it matching furniture. This tip shines in medium to large bedrooms. Why not fill the space behind your bed with matching pieces? Picture this: a wardrobe flanked by a dresser, creating a faux dressing room vibe. To pull it off, place your bed in the center, allowing plenty of space for your dressing area. A king-size bed with a sturdy headboard is ideal. You'll want it to stand out. Then, position the dresser right behind the headboard. Whether it faces the closet or stands alone, just ensure there's some breathing room between the dresser and closet doors. This setup really works best in spacious rooms. Number 8. Keep it transparent. Thinking of a modern look? Go for glass sliding doors. They create a stunning view while seamlessly integrating your wardrobe behind the headboard. The sleek, clear glass adds a touch of glamour and keeps the space feeling open and airy. Plus, it's perfect for maximizing organization. Add clever storage solutions inside, and you'll have no trouble finding your favorite outfits. A little lighting goes a long way here. It helps you seek out items in style while enhancing that spacious vibe. 7. Or semi-transparent. Not ready to go totally transparent? No problem. Consider a semi-transparent glass divider. This clever design strikes the perfect balance between openness and privacy, offering a glimpse of your wardrobe without fully revealing everything. It adds a unique touch to your space while allowing access from both sides, making it both functional and stylish. To enhance convenience, think about incorporating a couple of drawers on either side of your bed. This way, your everyday essentials are easily reachable, seamlessly blending aesthetics with practicality. 6. A natural theme concept. Ready to leave the glass behind? Let's switch gears and create a cozy wall divider using wood or something that looks just as good. Make sure it's tall enough to give passersby some privacy, but not so tall that it feels claustrophobic. You want a nice slim walkway behind it for a little extra secrecy. And don't forget about lighting. Hang some ceiling lamps to brighten up the space and give it a grand feel. If you can, plan out smart storage for your clothes, shoes, and handbags to keep everything neat and tidy. 5. Walk-in closet concept. The temptation of a walk-in closet. It's hard to resist, right? You can fit in hangers, boxes, maybe even a mini island. The ideal modern setup. Although it's similar to the last idea, this one thrives on small spaces. Think about how to maximize every inch. Dark colors for the divider work well, but sprinkle in some vibrant accessories to keep it lively. Drawers will be your best friend for keeping small items secure. And of course, add a big mirror. It spreads light around without using up any energy. Number 4. A layered bedroom concept. Here's a perfect solution for long, narrow bedrooms. If you can't place a closet on either side of your bed, think outside the box. Instead of walls, try using dark glass as a divider. It gives you that hint of privacy while keeping the space open and flowing. To bring life to the room, add some flowers on both sides. They'll not only fill the space with fresh vibes, but also create a layered illusion thanks to their reflection. It's all about maximizing that storage while adding some charm. Number 3, a wardrobe for everyone. When dreaming up your behind-bed wardrobe, remember the balance of Mars and Venus. Create a personalized atmosphere by choosing colors that resonate, whether they're bold and motivating or soft and feminine. Picture this: a bed with matching storage that speaks to both of you, using their colors and perhaps a lovely floral motif to set apart each side. This minimalist approach keeps things stylish and inviting. Number 2, a shelving wardrobe idea. Incorporating shelves and dual wardrobes around your bed isn't just practical, it can truly elevate your bedroom aesthetics. Imagine framing your sleeping space with beautiful shelves that showcase your favorite books, cherished treasures, or stunning artworks. This simple yet stylish design makes everything feel like it belongs. Plus, it reflects your unique tastes and keeps your space fresh and modern. When it comes to lighting, consider integrating soft, warm lights into your shelves to create an inviting atmosphere. This will not only highlight your items, but also eliminate the need for extra decorations on surrounding walls. Keep in mind, though, that you want to avoid a cluttered look. Too much can turn your cozy retreat into a cramped cave. For the best results, think about consulting with a skilled carpenter who can help bring your vision to life. That way, you ensure your storage solutions are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with... Lastly, number 1, make radical transformations with colorful accessories. Are you ready for a dramatic change? Picture colorful hanging clothes acting as the headboard in a pristine white room. Use the space above for boxes or baskets to keep things organized. Add in a charming bed cover, some cozy rugs, and a beige throw for a touch of warmth. And if you're all about details, a big beige throw can totally tie everything together. Remember, if you want to flaunt your vibrant wardrobe, don't shy away from colorful outfits with unique patterns. And there you have it. Those were 10 fantastic wardrobe ideas for behind the bed that are absolutely worth copying. Feel free to tweak designs as you see fit. It's your space to make your own. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.